Hey guys, for today's episode, we have my mom's Q50 here, and she told me this car doesn't attract enough attention, so we're gonna find out today whether that was a mistake. Stay tuned. So we have Alex Ratsimzafi here. He's gonna be helping us out today, and we have my mom's Q50. My mom, just so you guys know, she's a teacher in high school, and she told me that she wants this car to stand out a little bit more. So lately, she's been rocking these 17-inch wheels. These are Nix wheels with 35 profile winter tires. Don't put 35 profile on 17-inch wheels for these cars, just a heads up. But these are my mom's old 17-inch wheels with 45 profile tires, and they're not cool enough. So what I did is I went online and I picked up these. These are 18-inch 2018 Q50 wheels. So we're gonna go ahead and put these bad boys on there. Did I mention my mom doesn't know anything about this?
She doesn't know anything?
No.
Oh, yeah, go on, thanks.
And so I think that's gonna be pretty cool, but it's not cool enough. So we have Nix old Infiniti exhaust here. And it should make it a lot louder. So we're gonna go ahead and put this on there too.
I've heard these exhaust on these cars.
Yeah.
She's gonna turn some heads.
Yeah! So that's the goal. We're gonna put this on there, we're gonna put those on there, and in order to get this exhaust onto that car, I actually need the front pipes from the HKS replica exhaust, which are on my old G35. So first, we're gonna go ahead, lift this car up in the air, take off this exhaust, swap it out, and then we can move on to working on this car.
Let's do it.
Yo. All right, so theoretically, this pipe right here and this pipe are the ones that I need in order to complete these pipes on this car. So the stock Y pipe up here isn't gonna work out with the Infiniti exhaust, as you can see. So we might not use this X pipe, but it should work out.
We'll figure it out.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it'll work out. Either way, what we need to do now is we need to get this car out of here, put this car up on the lift, and then we're gonna swap out that exhaust real quick. All right, so we have the old exhaust right here and the new exhaust and all of our options. And so we are lined up, of course, back here, and we're lined up in the front. As you can see, it'll go back to here. So now we're just looking at this middle section. It looks like everything's gonna fit up just fine, hopefully. But we're not gonna use this X pipe, it seems. And we'll most likely use the little extensions. But it looks like we're all set. So we're gonna put these up there, and
Let's do it.
yeah. Yep, so that is hooking up my mom's car. And if you made it this far, you liked the video. So make sure to smash that like button down below. Make sure to subscribe, share with all your friends. We have so much more coming up. So now, we're gonna lower it down and we're gonna start it up so that you guys at home can hear what this new exhaust sounds like. And then I'm gonna take it home. I'm gonna show my mom and get her reaction.
I'm excited to hear it.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Woo! Ah. All right, you wanna do the honors?
Let's do it.
Cool. I'm gonna crack this open. Woo!
You ready for this?
Yes, sir. Yes. It's so much deeper.
It is.
Yeah, go ahead and hit it. Woo! That's awesome. Hit it again. Yo, that's sweet, man. Woo! There might be a slight exhaust leak. We can work on that in a little bit, but I think this is good enough.
These are fantastic results.
Yeah, this is gonna be, I think this is gonna be good enough. I think my mom's gonna be super happy. Yeah, awesome work, buddies. Woo! Hey, Mom.
Hey, why did you do that to me?
You want to work?
Yes.
Did you see your new 18-inch wheels?
Oh, no, I did not.
Yeah, I didn't think you realized that. But they should handle a lot better. I mean, they do handle a lot better.
Those are new tires? No.
New tires, new wheels. These are the 2018 Q50 wheels I got for you. They're a lot nicer,
I'll
right?
let you know. You were saying, oh, you drove it on the drive. Okay, so you want me to go real fast?
I mean, yeah.
As long as I don't get a ticket, right?
Yeah, you can. Yeah.
That's cool.
Cool, right?
Thank you.
Yeah, I mean.
Thank you.
Yeah. I just, you know.
Don't scare me like that, because I'm just like quiet.
No, you said you needed new tires, and I was like.
Well, eventually, yeah, because I was driving with Nick.
And I was like, well, I'm not gonna put new tires on the 17s. I hated those 17s, so I got you the 18s, and they look a lot better.
Well, what are you gonna do with those other ones?
I can burn them out and drift them and stuff. Drift wheels.
Okay, so this isn't lower. I can like go over.
No, you're actually higher now.
Higher.
Yeah, because Nick's wheels were too small.
Well, they just, I mean, I was always being careful going, even though it didn't seem like it had to. This board needs to be fixed. I don't know what's wrong with it.
Yeah, it's all good. Yeah. She doesn't know. Yay.
And my car is clean. Did you notice I cleaned my car for you?
Well, you cleaned it for yourself, I believe.
Nope, I cleaned it for you because I knew you'd get disgusted with the amount of dog and dirt.
Yeah, it is nicer to you know, work on a car that's
I know
clean.
how you are. I can do the outside, but you can only get so much, you know.
Cool.
Alright.
Alright. Catch you later.
Lay down.
Yeah, sorry, I adjusted the seat. This is gonna be funny. So there's a slight exhaust leak, but you shouldn't hear it in the car. I didn't hear it on the way back. I'll fix them later. You have Nick's exhaust now.
I look like a teenager.
It's cool.
You're not taking my car anymore. How am I supposed to explain this?
Well, let me know what they think. I mean...
I need my jacket, hold on. I need like 2 jackets on
That's funny. Aha.
We should take in gloves on my
Let me know what you think. It's gonna be fun.
fun.
Yeah.
Well, as long as it's reversible, right?
I mean, I have your exhaust, but this one's nicer. Yeah.
It attracts attention. I'm trying not to.
Put it in sports mode.
Does it use more gas?
It's more fun.
Okay, I'm gonna wake up the neighbors.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go real slow. I'm not gonna floor it.
It still has cats, so you're all right for now. Yay! Yay!
So,
How was it?
is it faster or just sounds faster?
It just sounds faster.
Okay.
I mean, it might have a little bit less back pressure. I don't know. It just sounds faster. It shouldn't have any changes. But how did it feel?
It felt really good. I didn't feel any vibration at all.
Good, sweet. No, there shouldn't be any vibration.
Oh.
There's just a very small exhaust leak right up there.
I hear that.
Yeah, but I'll seal that up tonight.
Thank you. Now they see me.
Right.
Get out of my way.
I'm glad. Yeah, it's awesome.
Different. I'm not sure it's something I'd want for life kind of thing, but
Nope, permanent.
it's permanent.
Nope, permanent. Cool.
They're gonna put the piece on tomorrow. He's waiting for double-sided tape
Oh yeah.
to get delivered.
Oogie.
So these are new wheels,
Yeah.
rims.
Yeah.
Really?
Wheels. Well they're they're from a
They're not
2018.
Nick's rims.
No. Nick's are the same as yours. So these ones are better.
Cool.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks for watching this episode of Mills Garage. Make sure to like and comment below, and share the video. We'll see you next time. Mills Garage.
Make sure to subscribe. Yeah. Okay.
My man, it's my car, my man.
Enjoy.
I will. Watch me go up the hill, right?
Yeah. Yay. Jaws. Oh man, it's a little bright on the car. Because now I got these lights. Alright, so, I mean, I guess they could tell that's the car.
This is the loud one?
Huh?
It's not the loud one.
It's not the loud one yet.
Huh?
No, it's not the loud one yet. Yeah, we're doing that today.
You gonna loud this today?
Yeah, it's my mom's car, and we didn't tell her yet. Yes. Woo! Look at this car. We have a Mazda Speed 3.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Race car. And a cold start. motocross this one day.
Can.
You.
Want a two-step out of this too?
Yeah, yeah. Oh, jeez. Go ahead. Woo! All right. Woke up all the neighbors. Yeah.
All right, boss. I'll see you.
Awesome work. Thank you. Woo! That thing is mean. Haha. Awesome. Woo! Oh.